And now, your Storm Team 18 forecast. Weather from where you live.
All right, as I previously mentioned, we did have some showers and thunderstorms to the north near Winnemac, Rochester, Logansport, Peru this morning. Still hanging on to a little bit more clouds, but we'll zoom in a little bit. More showers and storms off toward Fort Wayne. Had a lot of rain out toward the north and eastern portions of our viewing area, but not much for us. But we are watching a significant feature that's going to be something to watch later today. It's called an outflow boundary. This little line right here, when storms collapse, they kind of give out a big push of cold air, and that's going to be kind of acting like a little front, causing for more storms to develop. So we'll be watching this little line going through our viewing area and heading off kind of southward, southwestward. That could be the development and focus point for more storms, especially even upstream towards Chicago later this afternoon. But we are clear now, very sunny, very hot, especially where we have been seeing sun all day. Lafayette, the hot spot here, 94, 93 already in Attica, 83 in Winnemac, but look at where we had a lot of those clouds and those rain showers. Still 75 Rochester, 82 in Peru. And watch this, we change over to the current feel-like temperature. Feels like 106 in Kentland, 105 Lafayette, 103 in Frankfort. Very warm this afternoon. So definitely take it easy outside if you'll be outside. The National Weather Service in Indianapolis and Chicago and northern Indiana have given way to a heat advisory for the entire region until 9 o'clock for heat index values exceeding 105 degrees. So definitely going to be a warm one. Conditions are going to be prime for some showers and thunderstorms, though, to develop, and that's where we go to Futurecast. Will remain clear. We have a pretty decent cap over the area, which means a big bubble of hot air preventing cloud development and storms. But I think after about 4 or 5 o'clock, we'll start to see some of these storms really start to gain strength and break that cap, and we'll kind of see some explosive development with some of these storms. And most of the models this morning have indicated Chicago being where some of these storms might originate from, and along that boundary to the southeast. Notice as they travel, they'll travel south and eastward across our viewing area in some waves overnight tonight even, and into tomorrow morning. We'll be watching some more storms in the forecast for Wednesday. So for the rest of the afternoon, should be rain-free, but I want to give just a 20% chance of a pop-up shower at 6, but a better chance overnight tonight. But very hot. Our high here in Lafayette might even hit the highest this year so far. We hit 2 days in June where it was 96, so I think we'll be above that. Severe storm outlook still underneath that slight risk level 2 for today, as well as tomorrow, and for Thursday still underneath just a level 1 marginal risk. So several days of the potential for some strong storms could be in store for us, but we certainly need the rain, not really the severe weather, but it's still going to be a hot one today. Temperatures in the mid to upper 90s depending on where you are. 94 tomorrow, but we will continue to be seeing a clear weekend for us Saturday and Sunday with sunshine and lower humidity, highs in the mid 80s, Cody.
Yeah, so looking at that 7-day, David, not a bad time to keep in mind the weather app, our website.
Yeah.
Just be weather aware.
Yeah, you know, that app is very important because it gives like lightning alerts, even warnings and watches get pushed to your phone to your exact location. So it's good to have that. You can access Chad's weather blog on there for more details. You have a free radar on there. So if you have outdoor events today, definitely drink a lot of water.
Yes.
Use a sunscreen. It's going to be a
course.
hot one, and definitely stay weather aware for the next at least couple of days with some of these scattered storms.
How we went from all this dryness to now that 7 days just wet, wet, wet.
Yeah, but the thing I do want to get across, it's not going to be a widespread rain. There will be people with no rain. There will be some that do get a lot of rain with some of these storms. So it just depends on where these storms ultimately set up.
Okay, David, thank you so much. Good stuff to keep in mind. Well,